Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me a vine design with some flowers and wanted how to put it into the letter A in Times New Roman. And this is really neat and kind of fun. So I've got the letter A. I need to go to Object and convert it to a curve. And then I'm going to left click, no fill, right click outline. And then I'm going to left click, right click this, clip art. Now, from here on out, you need to not move stuff. After you move it this last time, you need not to move it again, but you need to nudge it. So we're going to nudge that out of the way and see how far it goes, and it works. Nudge is set on 2 inches. So there's two trains of thought in this. First one is going to be like this. So what we need to do is we need to go to Effects in Contour. I'm going to contour like 0.02 to the outside with rounded corners. Then I'm going to go to Object and break the contour apart. And then I'm going to try to grab the inside one, which I have. I'm going to go ahead and make it back to black. I'm going to put this one into my design, into my A or any letter. And then just use the Smart Fill tool to fill it in, all the blank spots, whoop. And probably do right there. And you could get really picky, depending on what you want it to look like. Got a little leak there. Well, that's actually part of the whole letter. And then, once you've got that, just take your original and move it back. And there you have it. Now there's a couple of contour. It doesn't really matter. You could maybe contour those little bitty spots too if you wanted to. But it's still a readable A. And if you can see I messed up the A right there. Let me back up. Whenever you see that, what happened is that when we smart filled it, I moved it over and it caught that edge. So let's move it over more and then take your Smart Fill tool and then move it over and see it's out of the way now. And voila, whoop. So what we're going to do is go ahead and move this over and then move this back. I'm just nudging. I'm not moving. I'm using the arrow keys to nudge. That's really pretty cool. I like it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.